Hi, I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. Nothing is more important than the welfare and future of our youth. PM assures support for students in first major message, announces government's decision to set up fast-track courts for paper leak cases, says culprits will not be spared. CBSE issues guidelines for conducting practical examinations with the Supplementary Examination 2026 practical examinations scheduled from 29 July to 4 August, with students placed in the compartment category due to repeat in practical or repeat in theory and practical both required to appear accordingly. Students and examinees directed to contact their school's examination centers by 27 July with a copy of their result or mark sheet and admit card, and schools and examination centers instructed to upload practical marks on the portal on the same day of examination, with marks once uploaded deemed final. For more details, refer to the official CBSE circular. CBSE notifies venues for Regional Skill Expo and Guidance Festival 2026-27 events under Ludhiana, Gurugram, Dehradun and Panchkula regional offices, events to be held across 6 dates from 11th August to 31st August at Amritsar, Gurugram, Bareilly, Ambala, Shimla and Rishikesh, while the schedule for the Noida regional office event at Meerut will be communicated separately. For detailed schedule, refer to the official CBSE notification. Over 1 in 5 CBSE Class 12 students requested scanned copies of their evaluated answer books after the 2026 board results, Centre tells Parliament amid concerns over the board's new digital evaluation system. Centre and states to work together for Viksit Bharat 2047 through school education, says Education Minister at the two-day conclave of State and UT Education Ministers in New Delhi. The conclave reviews centrally sponsored schemes of the Department of School Education and Literacy. Punjab becomes the first state in India to introduce artificial intelligence as a mainstream subject from classes 1 to 12 under the Sarbat.ai project, PSEB, to roll out the AI curriculum in phases across government and affiliated private schools, beginning with classes 8 to 12, to promote future-ready skills, responsible AI learning, and benefit nearly 31.5 lakh students across more than 25,000 schools. Uttarakhand Technical University cancels 2 exams following an alleged question paper leak. High-level inquiry ordered, re-exams to be held in the 3rd week of August. Karnataka High Court directs a law college to remove banners featuring people in advocate attire, says publicity should promote the institution and law program, not individuals, in line with Bar Council of India rules. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.